Hey there, I just received my Yesstyle order and this is an unboxing. This is my haul for this month. This is the Frudia Honey Blueberry Lip Balm. I got the 3CE Mood Rescue 2 Matte Lip Colour Step and Go. The Moonshot Rev de Paris eyeshadow palette. Etude House Play Colour Eyes palette. Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Pencil. 2 of them. One in the colour grey brown and the other in the shade dark grey. Then I ordered 3 of these sheet masks by Real Nature. This one's the calendula sheet mask. I ordered 3 of these acne pimple master patch by Cosrx. They're really good. They have 24 patches in a pack, all sorted circle sizes. Also, I ordered the AC Collection Acne Patch by Cosrx, 26 patches. This is oval shapes, so it's for bigger spots. Then I have 2 samples they gave me, the Aloe Collagen Mask by Pure Derm and the Wish Trend Vitamin 75 Maximizing Cream. So here you go, my latest order from Yesstyle. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and I'll see you in the next one.